You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Hello everybody, we're looking at how to pronounce this word correctly, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary many get wrong, so stay tuned to the channel, become part of the community. Two different ways of pronouncing it. In British English, it is said as tuition, tu, note the tu sound at the beginning. Tuition, stress on the second E syllable, tuition. Now in American English, it's said as tuition, tu sound here instead of tu, tuition in American English, tuition, while tuition in British English. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. It helps me immensely. More videos for you to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.